Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to use filters in Estater Markets. The filters allow users to limit the amount of data displayed on the map and in the report. This helps users explore the data on a granular level. The filter feature was created to help users drill down into the data available. This allows them to find properties that meet specific criteria. Filters can also be used to create comparisons between different catchments of the same report. To use filters, we just need to first generate a report. Select the objective, sector, and type of report you want to generate. Once your report is ready, click on the filter icon on the top right corner, and select the limits you would like to apply to the data within the chosen sector. In this example, I'll set the year, neighborhood, and land area. Click Apply, and your filtered data is ready. And now you can save the report. In this case, I'll name it based on the report type, sector, and neighborhood. Let's say I want to create another report with slightly different data, for example, a different neighborhood. I'll just go to the filter button again, set the new neighborhood that I need. Click Apply again, and I'll save this too, but with a different name. This allows you to have multiple reports with the same settings but different data. When you want to revisit them later, you can easily find these reports under the Saved Reports section. Simply click on the report to view how the data has been updated over time. With these saved reports, tracking updates and changes over time becomes a lot easier. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.